everyone! Are you also beauty enthusiast just like the way I am? If yes, I'm sure Nykaa is your go-to place for all your beauty essentials. So here I am explaining to you how you can redeem your Nykaa gift vouchers in just 2 simple ways and save big while shopping.
To begin with, one way to redeem Nykaa vouchers is by visiting www.nykaa.com or the Nykaa app. Here, explore and select the products you want to shop for. Once you have selected your products, go to the payment page. Here, after reviewing your order, click on coupons. Now enter the 16-digit code, click on the apply button, and that's it, your voucher is redeemed. Another simple way to redeem your Nykaa vouchers is to add them to your wallet. You can add multiple Nykaa vouchers to your wallet. Firstly, click on check balance and enter the 16-digit code that you have received along with the PIN. That's it, your voucher is added. You can successfully redeem your Nykaa voucher and save your beauty essentials.
Happy savings with Nykaa!